Hello, good morning. I will present my assignment her regarding contamination analysis of Escherichia coli on broiler chicken meat in traditional market of Medan City. Before that, introduce myself. My name is Jenny Elsa Octavia. Introduction: microorganisms that destroy meat can come from infection with livestock and contamination of meat after slaughter, dirty and dusty environment and tanks and drinking water source contamination we faces have high E. coli content. E. coli is a gram-negative bacteria. The cell can be single pirate and the short chain is usually not as encapsulated. E. coli is a normal inhabitant of the intestine, but often cause infection if there is too much of it. E. coli become pathogenic when the number of these bacteria in the digestive tract increases or is ion outside in the intestine. E. coli produces enterotoxin causes of diarrhea of meat contaminated with E. coli bacteria in the still consumed. It will cause disease, especially gastrointestinal tract disease, fever, diarrhea, typhoid, and other. Factory affecting bacterial contaminated E. coli. Bacteria contamination can come from the tools used in the cutting process. Lack of sanitation, cutting a tool will cause a lot of bacteria to appear. Factor that cause this the high number of E. coli in the chicken meat sample is caused by a lack of cleanness of the equipment used to sample chicken meat to think the time which will increase bacterial contamination of meat and the placement. Beef sold on the market at room temperature will accumulate crowd. E. coli, asmexophilic microorganism will grow optimal at temperature of 2400 Celsius. Material in the research was carried out in traditional market and continued with analysis in the laboratorium for disease investigation. Regional Veterinary General Root General Gatot Subroto Medan. This research was conducted from November to January 2021. Material in this study were meat broiler chicken take at 8 from traditional market with total of 32 samples. The media for the testing were solution buffer, paper water, BPW, Medan chromocord, alcohol, and aqueous, cotton, and tissue. Method: the research was conducted by taking samples of heterogeneous and even population from each traditional market with category big size market, medium, and small. 30% of all targets in each of the traditional market were taken. Test method. Number 1. Testing the total analysis of E. coli contamination was carried by weighing 25 grams of the sample acidically and replacing in the sterile plastic bag and adding 220 225 ml BPW solution that stroke maker for 2 minutes. Number 2, pour 9 ml of BPW solution into a sterile test tub and then add 1 milli of 101 selection suspension with a sterile pipette into a 9 milli BPW selection to get 102 selection. Number 3. Do 103 selection in the same way. Number 5. Then 1 milli of the suspension for each the selection in is put into a sterile petri dish. Number 5. The burn the chromocord media that have been cooled to temperature of 415 Celsius into cast petri dish containing the suspensions and move in careful to spread to microbial heavily. Number 6. After the agar was frozen, the plates were incubated upside down at 115 Celsius for 24 hours. Number 7. After incubation, the number of colonies that grow on chromocord agar was controlled. Result, the analysis of E. coli on chicken meat in traditional market in Medan City, which marked out inland market all except the third hot seat by SNI on them 101 CVU gram. E. coli contamination in chicken meat were mostly found in the back market, namely Petri 37, Pusat Pasar Dir 3047 and Kampung Lalang Market 3049. Based on the result of the research, it was found the meat in the traditional market of Medan City was all contaminated with E. coli and had passed the maximum limit of bacterial contamination. This is the same journal tag. Thank you.